Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Chanel unboxing for you. But if you're new to my channel and you love fashion, luxury, and unboxing designer handbags, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a new video. So now let's unbox this beauty. So here's the receipt and also the care cards. The dust bag, and here it is, the Chanel medium cosmetic pouch, or they also call it as Chanel pouch, in caviar chevron quilting. The size is 10.75 by 7.75 inches. This is in the gold hardware with the CC logo, and the zipper pull is in burgundy leather. And at the very end of the zipper, you will see the CC logo. I really love the caviar leather. You see how beautiful it is? I prefer that than the lambskin because it's carefree and it doesn't really scratch easily. And here I'll show you the sides of the pouch, as well as the corners and the stitchings. And in the back of the pouch, you'll find a pocket. Now let's check out the interior of the pouch. Here is the tag. And the top zipper opens to a spacious burgundy fabric lining. And the black tab, that is where you'll find the authenticity code. And on the other side is the tag that says Chanel made in Spain. You will also find a good sized zippered pocket. So here is the authenticity card. It is the series 27. So it was produced in 2019. I haven't really used this pouch. I only used this in one of my photos in Instagram. So if you haven't yet, please follow me on Instagram at ShopLuxe and I'll link it down here for you. I also showed this pouch in one of my YouTube shorts. There's a lot of ways to use this, and I will feature that in my next video. So that's it for this video. Thank you, my friends, for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!